Hello and welcome back, folks. The recipe for today is striploin steak, and we're going to serve that with some delicious homemade mixed peppercorn sauce. So if you're ready, let's go. Gently fry 2 chopped shallots in some butter and olive oil. Add in 2 teaspoons of crushed mixed peppercorn. Pour in 75 ml of beef stock and 75 ml of double cream. Add 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce and some salt to taste, then simmer for about 20 minutes until the sauce becomes thick. Remove the steak from the fridge 30 minutes before cooking and season all over with salt, aromat and olive oil. Fry the steak for 3 minutes each side for medium. Allow the steak to rest for about 7 minutes before serving with the peppercorn sauce and your favourite sides. Thanks for watching, folks. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my other videos. See you next time.